Hello, welcome again to FX View. So today is gonna be about the Charles Schwab, as is the straight A student who can do it all well, and this broker delivers with a high quality experience that can meet the needs of most investors. Schwab provides extensive research, a solid education experience, low fees, and great overall experience for beginning and advanced investors. It does all this at a cost of $0 trading commission and throws in highly accessible customer support into the bargain and investor-friendly attitude too. Charles Schwab offers to do anything fully features experience of a full-service online broker. Schwab offers a pair of trading platforms as well as mobile apps, so you will have a mean to trade whenever you are. Schwab.com web trader, broker's entry-level platform, does plenty in addition to all basic features. The platform keeps tabs on major indexes and watch lists, can pull up a company financial and trading data, access options, chains, and analyze trend. If you need even more, you can step up to Street Smart Edge. Street Smart Edge, this is Schwab's flagship trading platform, and it shows the interface is highly customizable, so you can set up the interface to optimize your trading process. You can travel screeners for trading ideas, while news feeds and live CNBC coverage roll on the platform. The platform also offers advanced charting, and you will be able to place complex multi-leg orders on the all-in-one trade tickets. You can access the platform in both web and desktop versions. If you have Amazon's Alexa virtual assistants, then you can load the Schwab scale. With the scale, you will be able to request market updates, quotes on stocks and funds, as well as organize a watch list. It's hard not to see this evolving in the future, so that you will be able to trade and conduct other account tasks via Alexa too. Schwab is great at providing investors what they need to know, both in terms of research and all the tools that the broker offers. Clients receive earnings news from Reuters, Briefing.com, and others, while Schwab also provides market commentary from Morningstar, Credit Suisse, Ned Davis, and more. Those investors looking for research on specific stocks will find Schwab's in-house analytical work, including Schwab Equity Rating for evaluating a stock's performance, as well as other third-party reports. Fund investors can access the Morningstar rating for each mutual fund, while ETF traders can trawl through the offering efficiently with the Schwab ETFs screener and ETF select list. A guide to the broker top picks. It is a quick way to sift the fund universe for what you really want, and the screener helps you find no need funding quickly. So we're coming to the end of this video, guys, and let me know what you think of this brokerage, as it's really for investors for long-term investing. And let me know what you think in the comment section, and see you on another review with another brokerage firm. Thanks for watching.